Hey everybody, Kim Lenga from Emerge Fitness, and I am here on vacation, and I figured I'm going to show you a great workout that you can get without a gym, right? So if you are short on time, if you don't have a gym, if you're in a hotel, or maybe you're like me, I'm in a condo, hey listen, we have time and the means to get in some type of workout. So it might look a little bit different than a gym workout, but you will still get the same result. All it is solving the problem, right? So I am here to encourage everybody to live life on purpose, and that means making yourself a priority, putting yourself first, and stop making the excuses. You show up for yourself, and if it's only 5-minute workout, then it is what it is. And if you do that 5-minute workout and you're like, hey, that was pretty cool, I feel amazing, I'm going to do it again, well then add it on again, right? So then you have a 10-minute workout. Pretty soon you're going to be up to 20 and 30-minute workouts. So it's all patience, right? Give yourself grace, but start with showing up for yourself and making yourself important. You are the most important thing that you have to take care of. That is it. Because when you take care of yourself, you're able to pour more into other people and help them take care of themselves. So hey, listen, I'm gonna be 58. I am a mom of 2 adult boys. I've had life happen to me, and what I've learned over the years was when I put myself last, I felt bad about myself, and I wasn't able to pour happiness and encouragement into others that I love. So you guys, this is my message to you. Make time for yourself, show up for yourself. And I'm gonna show you a workout that you can do, and I'm in a park right here, just using a bench, right? So you can do this at home, on the edge of a table, on the edge of a chair, whatever you have access to, you make it work, solve the problem. You ready to get started? Right? And no equipment, just a bench, just the beautiful outdoors. You guys, sunshine, vitamin D, that gives you energy. It really does. Don't be afraid of the sun. I know there's all these cancer scares out there, so wear protection, but don't be afraid of it. You need the sun. You need that vitamin D. You also need to know, does your body absorb vitamin D? Because if it doesn't, you also may need to supplement with a vitamin D supplement. So you guys, that was your outdoor bench workout. No equipment, just a bench. We did run 1 round, right? Different exercises. Tried to get 20 reps in of each. And here's the deal. You can make it 10 reps of each, right? 5 reps of each if you're a beginner. 20, you can even go up 30. Really depends on your fitness level. But you make this your own workout. And more importantly, the message is, stop making excuses. Show up for yourself. Create a workout, put your favorite exercises in, right? Just put your favorite exercises together and then just do them, right? For so many reps or maybe for so many seconds, and then take a break and rinse and repeat. You guys, I'm Kim Lenga, I'm Emerge Fitness, and I am here to help you solve the problems, to help you put yourself first, and help you live live life on purpose. Have a great day.